Hi, welcome to Ride Alongside. Today we are taking a look at a new product that we're testing from Original Free Range. Let's take a look. Alright, so I'm on my way to Coffee Outside. We do Coffee Outside in Prescott every Friday at 7 a.m. at Heritage Park. I'm often trying new ways of strapping my gear that I'm bringing to Coffee Outside on my bike. The Original Free Range QuickStrap is one of those items that I thought maybe I could live without that, but as I'm using it more and more, I'm realizing how versatile it is and how often I actually find myself reaching for it to use it. Coffee Outside is a great opportunity to use it, whether I'm strapping tube and my tools to fix my bike, or whether it's water, or even if I decide not to make coffee but just bring coffee with me, I can bring an insulated bottle with the QuickStrap as well. One of the things I like the most about the QuickStrap is how quick and easy it is to strap things there and to unstrap them. It's a quick Velcro closure, and you might think it's just the same as any other type of Velcro strap, which is really honestly what I thought before. After using the QuickStrap for weeks on end now, I'm finding that there are unique design features that I haven't found on any other type of Velcro strap. One of these is the way that they've integrated their Velcro closure. It's got a couple pieces on there that I haven't seen on other straps. The grippy texture is very grippy. There's been times when I've actually attached my water bottle or my tools to the bottom of my down tube and found that they're actually pretty loose, but they haven't moved at all while I've been riding on rough terrain. That surprises me. That's one of the things that I was hesitant about in using a strap like this, was thinking, yeah, it's great when I don't have much rough terrain, but what about when I'm going through some pretty technical rock gardens? Is this all my gear going to be left behind? I'm going to have to backtrack? Well, what I found is that none of my gear at all has been left behind. It's all been right where I left it, and that honestly surprises me a little bit. I was expecting there to be some rattling of my gear and some of it to be dropped. I haven't experienced that. It's also really nice that you can strap this just about anywhere on your bike. Although I tend to use it on the down tube, keep the weight really low so that my center of gravity of the bike isn't way up high and it feels really stable when I'm riding. It's nice to know that if I did have other water bottle cages down there or other reasons I couldn't mount the QuickStrap down below, I could mount it to the top tube or the seat post or anywhere else I might find a good place to store my gear. Another good use of the QuickStrap from Original Free Range is to hold extra clothing. While I haven't actually used it for this purpose, I could definitely see myself taking off a jacket as it warms up in the day and strapping it down there. Another really cool thing about the QuickStrap from Original Free Range is that it folds flat. So you could take it off your bike and have it completely folded flat. It doesn't take up much space at all. So if you wanted to bring it on, say, a long bikepacking trip or an all-day ride, and you think you might want to strap, say, a bottle that you get from the supermarket or convenience store to the bottom of your bike or your seat post, you could easily stow this away in a very small pocket. Even a map pocket of a frame bag would fit it very easily. So as you can tell, I'm a Pretty big fan of this little strap. It costs $26 from original free range. It's high quality gear, and they did send this one to me for free, but not because I asked for it. Actually, they sent this one to me because I won a contest. I entered one of their Instagram giveaways, which they do pretty frequently, and I actually won. I never win anything. It's pretty cool. So you might want to go check them out, and you can read our full article on RideAlongside.com. Well, I'm Nick from RideAlongside. That's my review of the original free range QuickStrap. Thanks for watching. We'll have more content for you real soon. I'm gonna go have some coffee right now.